What's going on, everybody? Mike here. Welcome back to Tahoes and Turbos. Joined by Haley. Today, we are going to unbox. Well, we were going to unbox something, but people decide to open other people's shit for no fucking reason other than they like to snoop, which pisses me off. We're going to open something and assemble something that's going to make our lives a lot easier when it comes to the snowmobiles. And that's in these two boxes here. Box for each machine. I got these off of Amazon. Is there any kind of number there? There you go. PEAKTOW heavy duty Dolly set with rubber pad. New, made in China. These are, and yeah, see? Because they screwed everything up. And how do they know if everything is here? I wish people would not open shit. Especially when they know that I'm trying to do an unboxing video. Fucking morons. Anyways, we've got... Well, they ripped that. So we had the instruction manual, but it looks like they ripped it when they were going through and doing whatever the hell they were doing. So, there we go. Maybe the other box won't be as damaged. Oh. It's been the last few days of dealing with absolute fucking idiots lately, to the point where I can't wait to tell you guys what my plan is next. Oh, there's no instructions in this one, I don't think. Oh, it's at the bottom. So, because it involves probably getting the fuck out of Dodge. Anyways, we're going to take everything out of the boxes and see what we need to do, right? So then we can make it a lot easier to move these things around. And apparently you can use these with a trike as well, because there's the three. I guess accordingly you put the back tires and then the front wheel type of thing, and you can move around a trike. We can find that out this summer if you guys are interested. But for now, we're going to take everything out of the boxes and do a proper check to make sure we have everything we need, because I ordered this stuff. I know what's supposed to be there. People who didn't order it don't. Make sense, right? Right? Yeah. So it's just useless aggravation. Unnecessary, unneeded bullshit. It's all its life's been lately. Anyways, let's take this stuff out and see what they got. Alright, Haley wanted to take her own out. So, let's see what she got here. That's the wheels. Oh, yeah, see, they ripped, I know, they ripped the, yeah, right? Yeah. I wish they would have left shit alone. There's 4 in that one too. Yeah. And there's 4 in that one. Yeah, I wish they would have left shit alone. They just ruined. They kind of wrecked the video a bit, hey? Yeah. That's okay. We will prevail like we always do. What do you got there? Flip it upside down. Hey, look at that. You know what those are for, right? The skis, yeah. Cool.
Will this be for the back of it?
Yeah, those are the straps to strap the skis. They're the front of the skis.
Got another mini thing.
Another mini wrench, awesome. And yeah, that one's for the back. And then anything else in the box?
The broken part of the instructions.
The broken part of the instructions. All right. Well, do you want to assemble one? And then we'll bring the people back to show them what you did. I'm going to go open up my box and make sure I have everything too. Awesome. So I told you guys I'd be getting her to work on her machine a little bit. She's got to go to her mom's tonight for the weekend for me. So tomorrow I have no kids at all. I was going to sleep in and recharge my batteries and, get all feeling better and probably have a big Epsom salt soak or go to Watchers and go swim at Manitou. Or I'll come back here and we'll check some of this stuff over. We'll see if we can get it to bang off with some ether. I don't have her here just in case, for fume wise, right? Just maybe we can get her to make some noise before she gets home, so then she can have a little bit more of maybe the spark will ignite better, right? Is what I'm trying to say. That she'll see that it works and she'll actually want to get on it. So, which takes, not much to do. But the big stuff she will be doing herself. I will be helping her though. But the little stuff we can do, like our little checks, stuff like that. But and I can also talk about what I did over Christmas. I've been wanting to tell you guys what's been going on so bad. Oh, I can't. It's been eating at me, guys. It really has. So, but we will get on it pretty soon here. She's going to put her together. You dropped your... Yes, your washer. All right. I'm going to help her, and we will be back to get these guys rolling around, kind of like the car. But cheaper. I think these were like $50 each a set on Amazon. I could be wrong. I'll let you know here right away. Alright guys, I got all my stuff out and everything is here as well. My instructions, as you can see, are not damaged. The back tells you how to do stuff. Washer on the bottom, lock washer on the top with the nut. Yeah, you see that?
Yes, that, this, and then this.
Haley will demonstrate. You got the washer on the bottom?
Yeah.
You want to pull it out and show the people a better view? Okay, you got the big round washer on the bottom. Good job. And then you got the lock washer. And you got to hold it in. And then you put the nut on. And who says girls can't do stuff, guys? Really? Girls can turn wrenches.
Here's my mini wrench yet.
Yeah, girls can turn wrenches. You just can't be afraid to let them. So if you know, guys can do dishes and clean houses and do laundry and shit like that, why can't girls do this shit, you know? I'm equal opportunity like that. I really am. So here's everything that came in it. But yeah, here's the instructions. Cool. Is there other info? Tells the capacity, caster size, personal safety, operation assembly. Okay. Maintenance, all that kind of fun jazz. Work area. Awesome. And these are the PEAKTOW 1,500 pound snowmobile dolly set off Amazon. Like I said, it was cheap. They should work. For these old machines that weigh like 400 pounds, this is overkill. So they shouldn't break, right? We'll find out. But I'm proud of her. Good job, kiddo. We'll bring the people back when we're done, okay? All right. Haley's got 2 done there. They just need to be tightened, right? Now she's working on the last one. I got one built. I'm using my chair here. So they're very sturdy construction. I have it all tightened down. But these are very sturdy, very solid, powder coated. The wheels, like the caster wheels, are like, they're amazing. They're solid rubber. So they have a nice bearing in the middle. Very nice roller bearing in there too. As you can see. Yeah, these are awesome. Awesome. Yeah, for being orange, she goes.
I want orange.
So we're gonna pardon?
Oh.
It bit ya. She found a sharp edge.
That hurt.
Hey, welcome to do how we do it. So I'm going to finish assembling these ones here, and then we'll tighten everything up, and we'll get to putting them underneath the sleds and seeing how well they fit. Are you bleeding? Not bleeding yet? Oh, well, then it's not that bad. It's stinging. Welcome to the world of turning wrenches, kiddo. Alright, folks. They're all done. Got the other setup sitting there, too. We got the dollies ready to go. Haley, good job on building them. Now, you ready to help me flip your sled so we can get them under? Are you ready? Thumbs up? Alright. Yeah, she cut her finger. So, alright, we're going to get the dollies under this guy here, and we'll see how well it rolls around. That one I got on a stand at the back, so I can do that one after. But we'll get this guy up and rolling around and see how well it works. Alright, Haley, I got one, and Haley's going to try doing the other side here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if I did that right. No, I did not.
No.
Push it back more.
Okay.
It's crooked.
Yeah, we gotta straighten it out. So how do you do that?
You pull it off.
Yeah, and we gotta take it back some more. Sorry, folks. Here, I'm gonna have to do this. I can't do this with 2 hands, so give me 1 second, folks. She's trying her best. Haley's gotta go back a little bit more. It's gotta be lined up with the other one. So, yeah, you see that? Can you do that if I lift it up? Get it in the middle. I'd say it's close enough. Close enough. What do you guys say? Yeah, it's close enough. All right, and then the back, last part's the back.
Hold on, I'm tightening it.
Tightening it. She's been really, it's really surprised me at how Haley's come into her own with this mechanics in this last little while. Like, it's absolutely blown me away, folks. If you have a daughter, throw her a wrench, see what happens. She'll either throw it back at you, or she'll figure out what it's for. So, good job, kiddo. I'm proud of you. Whew. All right, folks. I think we're done, and not a moment too soon, because it's getting warm in here. It's almost 10 degrees Celsius in here. I have to get the hoodie on and take the jacket off. So even the toque I'm gonna take off soon, but my hair is an absolute mess. Anyways, Haley, want to show the people what you did? Well, no, yes, we know. You got under the back. It's hard with the bogies, right? You got to figure out a better way to put that in the middle. Maybe get like a board or something, like, you know, a piece of board under it, and then have that in the middle to kind of keep everything flat. I might try that. Comment down below how you guys do this with the bogies. She got the front ones on, and she can move this thing around like nothing. Hey, kiddo. Oh, she's been skipping leg day for the last 11 years. That's her issue.
I want to go to the gym.
Well, no, you don't go to the gym. I used to. All the time. I've had kids. So, yeah, as you can see, it moves around flawlessly. These dollies, again, like I said, absolute lifesaver. I got them on this guy, decided to put them on here. And as you can see, moved it around. So, got it kind of out of the way. Slides around like butter. Again, this one's got the slides. So I was able to get it back there. Might move it forward a bit more. What do you guys think? Comment down below. The proper placement for these dollies. But shit moves around. Also discovered the rear shock on this thing is fine. So all I need is a pawl kit and we can run it. All I need is a pawl kit, which I'm gonna take care of here soon. I was gonna order one the day that it broke, and I got busy dealing with kids and bullshit at the school, and I never got around to it. But we'll see if I get a chance to here by the end of the day. If not, it'll be first thing Monday morning. But there you go, Haley. Sleds are now mobile. We got sled dollies under them, and for $50 a sled, it's an absolute game changer. I think I will move this one ahead just to see what it's like. These are them again. PEAKTOW heavy duty, PTTO 102 heavy duty. Got them off of Amazon. There we go. So, and they work really well. So, anyways, guys, that's where we're ending today. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's been a hell of a week, and to end it like this is absolutely amazing. Thank you guys so much. And like I always say, like, a bad day ain't a bad life. So don't call it quits just because of a bad moment. You know, tomorrow's better. There's always a better day. Sleep on it, right? Sleep on it. So you never know what tomorrow will bring. And with that, we'll see you next video. And from all of us here at Tahoe and Turbos, thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Love you guys. God bless.